Hey YouTubers, this is me, Adam's Fascinated Fire Alarms here, and for today's video, I will explain to y'all. So, the guy came over here to hang up the BRK SMI100-AC smoke detector on top of the ceiling, and first, the guy he is trying to screw the screws into the back cover plate for a smoke detector. So then, while he's fixing the screws into the smoke detectors, he decided to cover the BRK SMI100-AC into the cover plate. And then, he decided to testing it by pressing that little button for the smoke detector, and it went off for a short test of code 3. And then, the another smoke detectors went in code 3 as well. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of how the guy is going to try to fix the smoke detector. Enjoy the video. Sort of get the wires up there. To connect.
There you go.
There we go. Pretty good. It's doing code 3. There we go. You can see it better. It seems like the wires are hard to touch it.
Yeah, I don't want to go back on that bracket.
Yeah. Is this where all the wires were when they're connecting when the other smoke detectors goes off?
Do what now?
Like the other smoke detectors goes off, like one of this.
They're all tied together.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Now they're taking the wires, screws in, and I'll take the cover plate out first so they can figure out and see. Alright. So here we got the little hole right there that's hanging up to the BRK SMI100-AC. Now they're putting the cover plate on. And there you have it. Let's try this again. Alright, let's try this again. Now they're testing it, doing code 3. Alright, that was it. And there you have it. That is how the guy tries to fix and wiring the BRK SMI100-AC smoke detector by putting the 9-volt battery into the smoke detector. Test it, and it went code 3, and the other smoke detectors went into code 3 as well. I hope you have a great day, and this is Adam's Fascinating Fire Alarms, and thank you for watching. Take care everybody, and I'll see you later.